Time to Prioritise Exercise is all about prioritising the key changes that you want to make and trying to implement them in a strategic way. So just to recap, from the article you've obviously learned about the differences between impact and influence, and I just wanted to recap quickly before you start this exercise. So impact is all about things that bring an immediate feedback loop. They keep you motivated, they energise you, they inspire you on to the next change. Highly impactful ones bring an immediate feedback. The next ones, the influential ones, actually have a bigger impact on the changes that are still to come. So they're the key things that if you were to change one thing that would have a massive impact on your life, these will be the elements, these will be the things and the changes that you need to make. And finally, so filling out the exercise. So when you have all the changes that you have listed from your 6 influences exercise, go back down that list and start grading them by impact and influence. 1 is low and 3 is high. So think about each one individually, firstly scoring on impact to give a first score, and then next looking at influence and putting your second score. Then you want to multiply the two together, and this will come with a resulting total for it. These will then fall into the natural categories you see on the sheet. Okay, so now you have your list. They're all scored. Now what you need to do is look at putting them into the individual boxes. So in the top box, you want to put those that have scored high for both impact and influence. They have scored a 9. Next, you want to look at those that have maybe scored a 3 or a 2 in various combinations, and they go into your 6 box. And then finally, you want to look at those that scored maybe 2 for each, and that'll be 4. Don't worry if you run out of space. There's also a notes section on the next page where you can fill out any further scores that you have.